welcome to our new listing, 6236 Omaha Court. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath with a pool for entertainment. It's about 1,500 square feet and we price at $145,000.
This property is in a cul-de-sac and on a corner lot, conveniently located near commuteways, dining, and shopping at Oak Ridge Mall. Come take a look with us at this beautiful home.
Thank you for taking a look at this beautiful home.
The real estate market is always changing in the Bay Area. If you've had thoughts of maybe buying or selling this year, give us a call.